Hi guys, in today's video I'm showing you how to add stickers in TikTok. The process is straightforward and effortless. The first thing you have to do is open your TikTok application. After it opens, take a look on the bottom of your mobile. Here you will see 5 options. And from these options, you have to tap on this middle one, plus sign. And here, if you want to add stickers in your picture, then capture a picture from here. But if you want to add in your video, then swipe this to the right side. And now we are in our video recording section. From here, you have to tap on this capture icon and record your video. But if you want to add stickers, which is in your mobile phone gallery, then tap on this upload icon, which is on the bottom right, and choose the video or picture from your gallery. But for me, I will capture a video here and will add stickers. So just for example, I recorded a video for 2 seconds, and now you will see the option on the bottom right. Tap on it. Here, take a look on the right side of your mobile screen. You can see the option stickers. Tap on it. And here are the stickers. And take a look on the bottom of the mobile screen. Here are different stickers. Tap on this, and you will move to next. So from here, select your favorite sticker. And just for example, I'm selecting this. Now it's downloading. And you can see it's downloaded and has been added to my video. Now adjust this by tapping on it and place it wherever you want. And tap on the option next. And on the last, you have to tap on this option, post. And your video or picture will be posted on TikTok with the selected stickers. So it was the basic way by which you can add stickers in TikTok.